That's something that I've always been interested in. I wanted to keep bees. My dad and I had always had that kind of as a running project that we wanted to take on. And so I saw that I'd have the opportunity to keep bees at Yale early freshman year, and so I kind of jumped on that opportunity as soon as I got here. Initially I was more interested in keeping bees for the process and for the honey more than the biology. Since then I've become interested in biology and am now really interested in pollinator ecology.
Yale Bee Space has a variety of undergraduate, primarily undergraduate and graduate members. And what we do is we maintain 2 hives on Yale West campus, as well as plan various events, workshops, educational meetings, honey tastings, and other things on Yale's campus.
L.L. Langstroth, the inventor of the modern beehive, is the man who originally coined the term bee space, the name of our club, and that refers to the space between the frames in the hive that allows the bees to move around between the frames and access different parts of the hive. And he originally calculated the distance that he considered to be the optimal distance between frames, which we now call the bee space. Most of our work is really just ensuring that the colony is healthy, and if the colony is not doing well, then there are certain steps depending on the problem that we can do to try to improve the colony's health. But most of the time when we're checking up on our bees, we're taking the frames out of the beehive and looking to see that the queen is laying eggs and that the eggs are developing into larvae, and we can kind of tell because the brood, which is what we call the larvae that have now pupated and on their way to becoming adult bees, looks different from the rest of the honeycomb, and so we check to make sure that there's plenty of brood, and that's an indication of colony health.
The beehives are an amazing resource for a diversity of academic disciplines. We have students coming from ecology and evolutionary biology, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, and some of the humanities as well. The responsibility of keeping these bees healthy at West Campus means that not only do we have to maintain a healthy, vibrant farm, but we have to look at the whole campus itself, the whole 136 acres, with a level of attention to creating forage, healthy forage, and reducing pesticide use across the campus.